John wants to talk about Manaus bishop and pope.
And then first I have to say.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Do you know what means things? You know what means things? This means your mother. You say something to you because you not obey your mother. You're not good son. And then when you arrive at home, your mother will maybe hit you with hands. And then like this. And then today Pope hit you. What our Pope Leão said. He said, be alert against put nature like as a god. Put nature as a god. So the nature was created by God. Amazon not talk anymore about God, not talk anymore about Jesus. They talk about save the nature, save the rivers. They don't talk about Jesus. And then God put very, very, very clear. You should follow Jesus and to be a good Christian and go to heaven. Everyone should Eucharisty, should participate as a mass like a one. And then this is first. After this, nature, clean, organized. So and then Pope sends from. Yes, I think you should take care. Only through Eucharisty and Jesus Christ you go to heaven. So through Eucharisty we become one church. And then only through Jesus you go to heaven. Just to fix what I say. And then I'm very happy. I'm very happy with what the Pope said. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Maybe you should fall, there's 4 rivers there.